From the tropical island of Jamaica to the desert in Las Vegas, a city of light, a place I call home. This is Jamaican on the Move. One love. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm standing here at the Clark County Government Center, a place where it's standard for reggae performance. Every June in the last few years has been the home of reggae music, which is called Reggae in the Desert. It is fitting that I welcome you from this location. Simple because even though I'm no longer living in Jamaica, I still follow my culture. And in doing so, I figure this would be a perfect spot to launch. So, my friends, I speak one language, that is English, and ein bisschen Deutsch. But in honor of your friendship, I will say, herzlich willkommen to my German friends, to my Italian friends, benvenuto, benvenuta, to my Hebrew friends or Jewish friends, Baruch haba, to my Arabic friends, Max, Ahlan bika, to my Latin friends, Gratisi muma, to my friends and family in the Philippines, Tagalog, Walang Anaman, to my friends in Nigeria, in Yoruba, Kelon Chalet, Chef Grace, Michael, Isaiah, Bawane, to my Russian friends, Dobro Poželovit, to my Spanish friends, Benvenidas, Benvenidos. And so, dear friends, as we travel on this journey together, I look forward to entertain you. My channel will mainly consist of travel, food, and adventure. I will share with you each bite and each sip. Now, the Clark County Government Center encompasses a number of things that surrounded it, and I'll be able to show you in a little bit. We have the Brain Center. So if there's so much music for the brain, you can check out the Brain Center. That was meant to be a joke. And you'll also see the World Market. This is where a lot of people from around the world gathered for merchandising of furnishing. You probably will ask, why Las Vegas? My answer is, why not? It's all about people. Jamaica is a place of 3+ million people that although I should say, it's a population of 3+ million people. It's a place where millions of tourists congregate every year. Las Vegas is no different. My industry is hospitality. I go where the people is. people are. I love people. And I made it my life career. And that is why my channel is launched in this area. I can't wait to take you with me and many of my journey. I hope you will join me. Again, this is Ivan Spence, Jamaican on the move. One love, Yaman.